Yo, what's up everybody and welcome to an all new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you an all new exclusive item. This here is the all new Superman Action Comic #1 Hot Wheels diorama set. That's right, this here is on a pre-sale item that you can go on and pick it up at the all new Comic Con at San Diego. So I'm really excited to go ahead and unbox this thing and show you guys what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's on the inside. So this here's our box. It says 80 years on the cover, as well as Superman lifting the sedan, and then on the side here it'll say Hot Wheels as well as 50, and on the back here got Superman's emblem as well as the two icons with DC on the bottom, and then on the top here it'll say Hot Wheels in the orange and yellow color, and this kind of just opens up just like that and slides right out, and check that out. That is so cool. I love this diorama display. So this here is the Action Comics #1 Superman's first appearance, as well as the Action Sedan's first appearance as well. Now it does say 10 cents based on the comic book itself, and you got this almost looking 3D diorama of the real comic book. So you see Superman lifting up the sedan, and then you got these characters kind of running in fear or kind of like looking for help. Definitely a very lively and very nice looking display. Comes with a plastic housing around the car itself, so that's really nice. So you can go ahead and like put this wherever you want, and then you know, as you kind of rotate it on the back here, talk about a little bit more in terms of details, like how they're celebrating it. So it talks about Superman and then how his first appearance was, and how Hot Wheels is going to go ahead and embrace it. On the top right corner here shows the original comic book itself in terms of the cover goes, so you can see that they did do a really good job displaying that. So it definitely makes it a very unique piece. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks underneath. Alright, so we got ourselves a cover on top here. This will just go on top just like that. But yeah, look at that. Whoa! Actually really like this a lot. It has a very nice retro feel to it. Almost does look like a comic book to life. Let's go and open this up just a little bit more. Alright, so this here is the car itself. Looks like Superman's made out of almost like a plastic material. So let's go and take this all out. So these here are the two pieces that it comes with. So you get Superman as well as the sedan. Now Superman's got a lot of small details from the logo to his face. They did do a great job in terms of painting him goes. Now you can see that he's actually lifting the car with his hands up like that. So you just put the car just like that there, and his cape comes out just like that as well. So definitely a very nice piece that's made out of plastic, quite flimsy, so just be careful with it. And then here's our sedan. Now I really love the color combination on this. It does portray the car from the comic book quite well, especially with the wheels, and they're actually made out of rubber too, so keep that in mind. There's a gold trim in terms of like the grill piece goes, and you got a red interior, so they did a great job highlighting all the small details on the car. Alright, well there you have it. Safe to say Hot Wheels did a phenomenal job displaying this comic book. Not only is it pleasing to look at, but the quality of it is really amazing. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now if you had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.